Hello everyone, it's Carol from Late, and today I'm going to show you the latest update we have released. It's called Queues. With Queues you can predefine posting times for your social media profiles and automatically schedule content into those time slots. That means no more manually picking dates or time every time you post. Late will handle it for you. Step 1 is where to find queues. There are 3 places where you can create and manage queues in Late. The first one is the dashboard, the second one is the API, and the third one is the CSV Import feature. In this tutorial, we will mainly focus on how queues work from the dashboard, and I will also show you a quick look at how CSV and API fit in it. Step 2 is setting up your queue. Inside your dashboard, you will notice a new button under each profile called Setup Queue. Click that, and here is where you can add your time slots. These are the automatic posting times you want for that profile. For example, let's say I want to post every day at 9 a.m. in Madrid time. You can add 7 slots, 1 for each day, select my time zone, and then click Save Schedule. Once it's saved, you will see that this profile now has 7 slots ready to use. The third step is adding a post to the queue. Now let's create a post. You will notice a new option when scheduling. It's called Queues. You select that, and Late will automatically find the next available slot in your queue. For example, tomorrow at 9 a.m. No need to manually choose the date or time. You can even filter posts by status to see which one are currently queued. If I create another post, say test 2, and click queue again, Late tells me it will be posted in the next open slot. In this case, Wednesday at 9 a.m. Each profile has its own separate queue, so you can customize posting times individually. The fourth step is editing or updating queues. Imagine you need to change your schedule, no problem. You go back to your queue setup on the profile and adjust the posting hour. Let's say from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and click Save. Okay, so you can choose whether to keep your already scheduled posts at their old time or automatically save them to the new one. Any changes you make to your queue automatically update the post in those time slots, keeping your schedule perfectly organized. The fifth step is how queues work per profile. You have to remember that each profile has its own queue, with as many slots as you want. When you use the queue option, you can only select one profile at a time because each profile's queue is unique. If you try to queue a post for a profile that doesn't have any slots set up, Late will show you an error letting you know to create one first. Now let's talk about using queues with CSV Import. When you download the sample CSV file, you will see a column called Use Queue. If you set that column to true, Late will automatically use your existing queue slots for each connected profile. No need to manually set dates or times. It's a huge time saver when you are uploading lots of content. And finally, for developers, queues in the API. Queues are fully supported via the Late API, so you will find new endpoints for creating queues, viewing slots configurations, and managing posts programmatically. That means you can build automation workflows or custom integrations that take full advantages of this feature. So that's the new queues feature in Late. You can set up posting slots per profile, automatically queue post without setting dates, use queues with Import CSV, and access everything through our API. This update makes consistent scheduling faster, smarter, and a lot easier. Give it a try in our dashboard today, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!